That's for you, Inday. Inday, that's for you because it's your birthday.
I thought my birthday was on Sunday.
I know, but we're not here.
I have to give it to you.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
What is this for?
That's for the, it's like a vitamin of the flowers.
Okay.
Smile! Happy birthday, girl!
Thank you.
I love you!
Thank you. I love you too.
Kisito! What will you say?
Thank you, Tito Vince.
Happy
Alright.
birthday. You're welcome.
Later for your gifts, okay? Alright.
Ikaw na, hindi ka kuha ng kuha na. Domingo na.
How would this one? The upside down V.
Careful, ate. Careful.
What am I?
Good girl.
Birthday, Marian. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marian.
Happy birthday to you. Make a wish first before you blow. Yay!
Yay!
Birthday! Happy birthday! This gift is from Tito Vin's family, Tita Vic.
Ako give joke na. Ako give you
Go ahead. Open it. Ate, I think that's from Ate Bianca.
It's Sanrio.
So thank you. Bestie.
So
Thank you,
cute.
Bestie. Thank you, Bestie. Ano?
Thank you, Bessie.
Alright. Next, come on. Ate, come on. Alright, one is Ding Ding's. One is Ding Ding's.
A lot.
Josh, this is for you, Josh, oh.
Tingnan mo yung edad mabuti.
Yeah.
Kung yan nga.
Let me see the front. Let me see the front. Oh.
7 to 8. Ding Ding, this is from you. What will you say to Tita Vic? Huh?
Thank you.
Oh, look at...
Thank you.
Ganda. Oo. That's nice.
Thank you, thank you.
How about yours, ate? Show yours. Oh, ito kay Marian. Wow. Thank you, Tita Vic. Thank you po. Wow, jumper. Ganda.
That looks like it's nice for spring.
Yeah, so nice. So nice for summer.
And I especially love
And this one.
Sanrio pens.
Wow. Oh, underwear.
Underwear, hindi?
You have your underwear in there.
Yeah.
Ew daw sabi nung
I
isa.
especially love these. I got a new plushie.
Okay. Thank you po. Thank you po, Tita Vic.
Okay.
Tita Vic, go. Thank you. Hug. Thank you po, Tita Vic. Oh my God. What do you have? Angel, open yours too.
Oh.
Art mo na kay Tita Fern. Oh.
pull away.
Ako.
Oh my God.
This is more rough. Oh. What is
What
this?
is that, Ding?
What is
that?
this?
What is that?
Air dries in hours.
Truck.
What is that,
I
Ding?
can make cupcakes.
That's nice. Okay, open the other one. Open it. Open the other one. Hindi na open it. Iba nga, dito pala. You're welcome. Oh, here. Bayan ni mo. Here, ate.
What? Build a garden. Make your own paint.
Build the garden.
Oh.
You're welcome, Inday.
Thank you.
Bag. Okay, more.
Okay, more.
Black.
Kasi kaya
Books. Unicorn.
kailangan pa kami yung
Get everything.
I can.
Books. Get a lot of books for you to read.
Who's this?
You got Junie, Lunch Lady, the English Roses, Daisy Zoos,
Thank you.
Put it back on.
Archies.
Wow.
Can you put this one?
Yeah, you got a lot of books to read, huh?
Another Archie's.
Yes.
You read the one day when you are going to bed. You have to read
Yeah.
those books, not for watching the TV.
All right. Do you like the books? Do you like the books?
I'm gonna put my order.
Do you like the books?
Hold on. Yeah, I like the books.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Love you.
Put away that one.
Oh, Dindin.
Oh, good one.
Oh.
I hope it. Wait. Oh my God! What is this?
Oh my God, what is this?
That's a big
Oh my God! Look at that, Dindin.
airplane.
Oh. Ano mo? Boy,
Ayan.
mabuntag na.
Ayan. Careful, be careful. Ay, nakuha niyo. Ano na kasi yung phone?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Huh?
I like that.
So lucky, ne?
Eating my cake.
Oh my God.
Yum yum. Mm-hmm. Nang. It's okay, Nang. I love Inday. I love you guys.
I
Mmm.
really love you too.
Sorry?
I heard you talking with mommy and you said you
I love
love you love us and then we love you too.
I love you. Are you sure, honey? Ayaw mo na? Okay.
Di ba yung